Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay app. Firstly, enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started and reset the app. Now tap on blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on Loyalty, Gift Card and Public Transport. Tap on Loyalty and select Shop, for example, IKEA Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Then you can add a gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card. And the last thing is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport way, enter it. And add your transit card. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.